How to find control notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find control notifications on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now scroll down and you have control your notifications. Click on see settings and here you have your notification settings and notification dots. To choose which Facebook notification you receive and where you get them. For example, notification settings, and here you will find all the notification settings. And you have also notification dots. You choose wherever you want to mute it or to turn on. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.